Hey, what's up everyone? Today, we're diving into one of the most effective ways to speed up your PC by disabling unnecessary startup programs. If your computer takes forever to boot up or feels sluggish, then this is definitely for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, your PC will be booting up faster and running smoother. So, what exactly are startup programs? When you turn on your computer, certain applications are set to launch automatically. Some of these are essential, like your antivirus, but many aren't necessary and just slow down your startup time. The more programs in your startup list, the longer it takes for your computer to fully load up. By disabling non-essential startup programs, you reduce the workload on your PC during boot up, making it faster and more responsive right from the start. It's one of the easiest ways to instantly boost performance. Alright, let's get into it. First, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open it directly. In the Task Manager, click on the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the programs set to run when you start your computer. Now, you'll want to look at each program and decide whether or not you need it to start automatically. Programs with a high startup impact can noticeably slow down your boot time, so focus on those. For example, do you really need Spotify, Adobe Updater, or Skype to launch every time you boot up? To disable a program, simply right-click on it and select Disable. Don't worry, this won't uninstall the program. It just stops it from launching automatically when your PC starts. Once you've disabled all unnecessary programs, restart your PC to see the difference. You should notice a much faster startup. By doing this, you've just sped up your PC and made your everyday computing faster and more efficient. Bonus tip: if you're running Windows 10 or 11, you can also manage startup programs from the Settings menu. Just head to Settings, Apps, Startup. Here, you can toggle apps on or off with a simple switch. And that's it. I hope this quick tutorial helps you speed up your computer and save you some precious time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.